Here is a student dashboard. Inside of my Drama 1 course, the students come in and they will see these options on the side. I have a fairly cleaned up Canvas course. And when they come in, they have some quick links that are always going to be there. The disclosure link, if they ever need to make up work, they can sign up to come into a Spartan forum and work with me. And then a couple of other links to different programs that we use in class. This is a link to our daily schedule. So every day the students will be able to see what the date is. They can see our agenda, any homework that there is for that night. They also will be able to see the learning goal. This is important so that they know we have a specific thing that we're working toward. If they miss a day, they can go backwards and look at, oh, that was what we did the day before. So every day when class starts, in the first 5 minutes of class, we do something called a do now question. So the kids get to it by going to modules, and then this is what they see. They can see all of the assignments and they're just in order. So the whole quarter is right there in order. And over on the side, there are these little circles, and it will show you a green check mark when your student has completed that item, when they have submitted something there. If you see a bunch of red lines, that means your student isn't completing the assignments. So all they do for this do now, and this is right in that first 5 minutes of class, is click on the assignment and they will see the do now question. This is just a question that they're answering for the day. So they read the question and then they write at least 3 sentences about it right here in this text box. Once they have down their writing and they press submit the assignment, it gives them a little indication that they have submitted their assignment so that they know, and they are done. When you look back in the modules, you're going to see a green check mark that they have completed that assignment. Do now questions are only available in that first 5 minutes of class. Students cannot make up do now questions if they are tardy, if they are off task, or if they have an unexcused absence. If it's a parent excused absence, then I will allow them to make up the do now on a piece of paper, and that would be on a case-by-case individual basis. Students also get points for completing any assignments that we have in class, any performances that we have in class, and they get participation for participating in the activities that we do during the day, which would include things like our drama theater warm-up, standing up and doing the stretches with everybody, and being a participant in any discussions that we have as a class as we're going through our lessons.